I believe that I can create whatever I want to create. I feel very strongly that we are who we choose to be. I'm not afraid to die on a treadmill, right? I will run. I will not be outworked, period. You're not going to outwork me. It's such a simple, basic concept. It's the guy who is willing to hustle the most is going to be the guy that just gets that loose ball.
3 more. 3.
You might have more talent than me. You might be smarter than me. You might be sexier than me.
We gotta clear this different way. Come on.
You might be all of those things. You got it on me in 9 categories. But if we get on the treadmill, right, there's 2 things. You're getting off first, or I'm gonna die. It's really that simple.